Hello everyone, my name is William Samba Alajin Salon and my matrix number is 08DU22FF1010. Here are some 6 steps how to determine either the diode and forward bias or the reverse bias by using a multimeter. First of all, the anode and the cathode pins are identified. The cathode pin are typically marked with the pen of the gray line, while the anode pins are unmarked. The second is the diode should be replaced into a protoboard with the cathode or the mark or the gray line are facing forward. The third step, the multimeter should be set to the appropriate range for each diode. It is important to note that the red probe scope is used for the positive terminal or the cathode, while the black probe is used for the negative terminal, or also known as anode. Step number 4. The probe scope is placed on the cathode and the black probe is placed on the anode. When the needle on the above one, it indicates that the diode is in the forward bias. Step number 4 was repeated. If the multimeter stays and produce some beep sound, it means the current was flow, and then the diode is in the reverse and is in the forward bias. Last but not least, the gray line of the diode is changed into the pattern. We repeat this step number 5 and number 4. If the multimeter stays at 0, it means the diode is in reverse mode and the value is infinity. This is because the diode is overloaded and has a very high resistance, preventing any current flow in the reverse bias condition. So, as we know, this diode was in reverse bias. As a precaution, ensure that the diode is inserted into the protoboard properly and make sure that we use an appropriate range of the multimeter to avoid the damage in the multimeter, especially the fuse. That's all for me. Thank you.